Amanda! He fixed it! He fixed it, dude. Can you believe that?
Holy shit!
So today we're working on a Sole F63. It is not powering up the computer, so I have currently taken off all the covers, and I traced the power cable back. If you come around here, you will actually see when I do lift this up. If you come around here, you'll go ahead and notice the main wire for the main power cable is severed. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that really fast. I'm gonna run the cable, the actual harness, through the outside. I'm not gonna go ahead and run it the way it goes, just in case that isn't the problem, but we're gonna start off by removing the actual cable. Now these cables have a lot of glue on it, so you're gonna wanna get yourself a knife. A pick would probably be better, but I'm just gonna go at it with a knife, try to remove this glue on the back side, and then remove this cable. Try not to poke the actual board. Usually once you get under this, you're able to peel it all away. It pretty much peels away super easy. See, it's like almost like a hot glue gun is what they use. Finish cleaning off the other side and then we'll be able to unplug. Now I am gonna have to go to the store later once we do confirm that everything is fixed. I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot or Lowe's to get some zip ties. I wasn't sure what I was getting into today, so I just brought basic tools, but we'll go ahead and tighten up all the harness once it is all repaired.
That was just to loosen it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Set it free. Oh yeah, I see another one in here.
Zip ties on this side. Now we're gonna go ahead and actually lift the treadmill and run it all the way back. Feed it through. We could probably just pop this. And make sure you put these back on so that this doesn't happen again.
LOL. So that's what caused it, you think?
No, for sure, 100%.
It just caught loose and then it rubbed out?
So what happened was, under, you can't see it yet, but there's a white plug. This plug goes into the white plug. It got pinched under, they were moving it, and basically it just shredded it all apart. Total damage. This was plugged into the motor, the board. This end basically ran through, came this way, and plugged in. Now you're gonna ask me, what did it plug into? Well, these wires are supposed to be in here. See all those ends? If you're looking really good, you can see. I went ahead, I disconnected this where the old cable was connected to the mid harness. The lower harness connects to the mid harness. And I plugged in the new lower harness. So we're pretty much done with the repair as of now. We're gonna go ahead and lower this back down.
And test it.
And test it. So it's plugged in at the mid. We're gonna go ahead and plug in at the board. We have our power cable hooked up. The machine is off. So we're gonna go ahead and plug in the actual wire. Gonna hit the power switch. And we have successfully...
Oh, that didn't happen before?
The treadmill. It had 0 power.
Woo!
All due to a faulty, severed, disconnected lower harness.
Press go, press go.
Let's see if it works. Let's see.
Go for a jog.
It's gonna work.
Oh shit. Oh.
Man. Amanda, I think I'm gonna start coming in.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start coming over here for real. Sexy girl summer. Okay, nice.
We got the new lower harness in. I zip tied everything. You're gonna have to zip tie and replace the zip ties everywhere that you actually cut, adding the last few screws in, and then we're gonna go ahead and lower this thing down and make sure it works. Harness is connected, zip tied, bottom cover is on. We're gonna go ahead and lower it now. We're gonna add the front cover, add this side cover.
Is that hydraulics?
It is actually.
Nice.
It's not hydraulic, but it's a shock.
Oh.
Gas. All right, we are done.
Final test? I need a jog.
Oh, hold on. It's off.
Oh, hello.
Gotta turn it on first.
I was gonna say it just worked. Just now work.
All right, there we go. You like it? We're gonna get you one next.
Ooh, 4. Ooh, 5. Amanda! He fixed it! He fixed it, dude. Can you believe that?
Holy shit!
Dude, I know. He does everything.
Oh
What
my
the
god,
fuck?
thank you. How the fuck did you
But
fix
also,
it?
Amanda, this is a really good treadmill. I think we're gonna come over and just like, even if you're working.
Literally,
Yeah.
whenever you want to.
Yeah, literally, because like even if you're working, it doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't matter. Literally, come and run.
If you like this video and want to see more, like, subscribe, and let us know what do you want to see us fix next.